Designed by Spanish architect Santiago Calatrava, the Margaret Hunt Hill Bridge, connecting downtown Dallas to West Dallas, empties into a site near the original Réunion colony.
The Parade of Giant Puppets is an effort to tell people in a very fun way about the history of West Dallas. 15 community groups chose people that they thought were important to the development of West Dallas, some of whom include the colonists from the original La Réunion colony.
We got Mr. Victor Considerant, or Monsieur Victor Considerant, one of the founders of the La Réunion colony.
I have no idea what their world was like. I would like to believe that somehow we're carrying on their artistic legacy, somehow their vision for some form of sustainability. In this case, I think perhaps cultural sustainability.